help me? Can you see here an ice cream? I think Sam likes strawberry ice cream. If you can see the ice cream, you can point to it. That's right, here it is. Here's the ice cream. What about here? Can you see a hat? Oh, here's a hat. And what about a jacket? If you found the jacket, now let's look for the boots. Very good. Can you see a skirt? Excellent. Maybe you can find the shirt too. Very, very good. Let's see what's on the next page. Oh, look, Sam has lots and lots of things here. Lots of transport vehicles. He has a plane. Can you see the plane? And there's a boat. If you can see the tractor, can you point to it? And what about the taxi? Can you see the taxi? You're doing so nicely. Last thing, let's look for the helicopter. If you can see the helicopter, let me know. Oh, what about here? Can you see the bike? And I can see a long train. Can you see a very long train? And maybe you can see a tractor. I can see a red one and a green one. You're doing so well. And there's a sailing boat. Can you see a boat with sails? Well done. Very good. Let's look for some food now. Sam is very hungry. He's having a picnic. And I think, what do you think his favorite is? Well, I can see a cake. Can you see the cake? And can you point to the eggs? Maybe you can see the bread too. And I can see some cheese. Can you see the cheese? Excellent job. Here we're doing the colors. Let's see if we can point to something that's red and yellow and blue and green. And maybe you can see something that's a color brown. Lastly, let's look for black. Excellent. Sam's painting a beautiful picture. Oh, look over here. Sam's hungry again. Can you see his sandwich? And maybe you can see, oh, he's eating cake again. He likes cake. And there's bread in the basket. He's having juice again. I think it's orange juice. Do you like orange juice? And I can see his egg or eggs he's having. Sam's really hungry. He's also having fruit. Here, Sam's in his home. Can you see his fridge? And tell me if you can see his rug. Now, very good. Let's look for his sofa and his table. You're doing so nicely. Can you see Sam's stove, maybe? He has a stove. You're doing so well. Oh, and I love this next picture. Sam has a doll's house. He's playing. Can you see a door in the doll's house? And can you see the roof of the house? There's a table. Can you see that? There's a little doll Sam, a little tiny Sam. Can you see him? And can you see a desk? The desk is on the top floor, on the third floor. Can you see that near the door? Good job. Here's another house. Look, here we have, can you see where the bed is? There's a bed. And there's a window. We also have a sink. Now I wonder if you can see the clock. I'll give you a clue. The clock is up on the nearly the top floor in the bedroom. And look at the lovely garden surrounding Sam's house. Oh, Sam went to the jungle here on a safari, I think, or maybe he went to Africa. Yes, maybe to Africa. There's a tiger. Can you see the tiger? And the elephant. I can see a giraffe and a parrot. What about a crocodile and a zebra? You spotted it all. I'm so proud of you. Wow, kids, you did such a good job today.